Hey, this is Matt Hedstrom, the owner of Short Sale Experts and Rehab Estimator Pro, and I am here today with Paulie, a really good friend of mine. What's up, Paulie? Give me a hug, man. We love each other.
How's it going?
All right. We just got back from, we had some authentic tacos, auténtico, and I fed him tacos de lengua, if you know what that is. That is, he didn't know it, but I told him he could get 2 steak tacos and 1 mystery meat. So I fed him beef tongue. And it was amazing, right?
It was pretty good, yes.
Good. So he was singing praises. He thought it was pork. So anyway, so I was riding my bike. He was riding his Harley. I used to have an engine between my legs in that manner. So, but I'm now on the program with a pedal bike. So we've had a great day so far. And I just wanted real quick to have Paulie tell his story a little bit. This will just take a few minutes of your time, but this was a short sale that we just negotiated, and he had a pretty awesome story. Awesome story in the middle, beginning, and end. That's out of order, but for us, we negotiate for about 25 investors in the state of Wisconsin, and also in several states surrounding. So I love these stories. I love to share them with you guys. And this one came as what was this? What kind of deal was this in the beginning?
We've been doing some networking with the senior community, and this was a referral from one of the people who had put their father into a memory care facility.
Oh, okay. So it wasn't a probate; it was just a referral.
It was a referral.
Okay, so great. And so you came in and found that the house was underwater and needed to do a short sale.
It wasn't correct.
Okay. And was this was it a decent situation then, because he was still living there, so it wasn't a hoarder house or anything like that, or was it?
It was not a hoarder house, but he had typical a lot of stuff in the attic. It was an unfinished attic. They left everything behind because of course he's moving into an apartment that they have their own furniture and everything like that, so everything was left behind.
Okay,
not quite a hoarder house, but there was a lot of extra stuff in there, and kitty cats.
And kitty cats, those cat houses,
yeah,
they can be terrible.
The smell of money,
dude. Yeah, I've got one right now that my painter is shellacking the entire house top to bottom, just because of that smell. Yeah, that's the only way to get rid of it. So pure shellac. So anyway, all right. So you've got this is networking. You got this lead, comes to you, and then you come to our team to have it negotiated. And you end up buying the deal. We got a great deal, and you had a partner on this. We know him from the RIA as well, so really cool situation. But so you guys solve their problem, do what you say you're going to do. We get you what you need to buy the house. As far as a purchase price, you come in and tell me a little bit about. I mean, did you do a full rehab? Did you wholesale? What was your exit strategy?
Kind of evolved a little bit. I wanted to buy it to live in. Then,
for you?
Yeah, but my partner Rick wanted to flip it, so we couldn't agree on a price for me to buy it. So we did flip. We decided to flip it.
Okay.
And it was a 2-bedroom house with an expandable attic, and we were debating whether or not to finish the upstairs. We just the house was in pretty good shape, so we thought we were going to do lipstick on a pig and kick it down the road, but it kind of morphed into. I got a really good deal with a contractor.
Okay.
And he gave me a really good price on it finishing the upstairs attic.
Oh, nice. Did you bump it up at all, dormer? Or
we didn't do anything like that.
You
we
finished
just
it.
Finished what was there.
Okay.
There was some drywall up there that they finished up and then added to the rest of it. We weren't going to do the kitchen, but we decided to do the kitchen also in the middle of the rehab.
So, all right.
Now, people at home don't do it like we did it,
right.
But
right.
But no, I mean it just made sense.
Okay. So you busted your original budget. As far as what you set out to do, but
the numbers the numbers kept making sense.
Okay,
to do
so
it.
you're pulling comps, you're doing this thing. Yeah. All right. And so you had just said, I didn't know you had just said this off script. I didn't know this. You found some money too, and is that right?
Yeah. So I like to pull the telephone wires and the cables out from the basement. It just cleans it up a little bit, and nobody uses the telephone lines anymore. And I saw a piece of paper above the ductwork, the cold air ducts.
Okay.
I thought it was the manual for the furnace.
Yep.
Pulled it out, and it was a bank envelope with $240 in cash.
No way.
Rick was at the house, so I ran up and showed him. We took out $240.
$240. So like Benji's, was it old?
That was 10s and 20s from 1974.
Wow. Okay, cool.
And I thought I got to go back down there. There's got to be more there. So I started scrounging around. I pulled out 3 more envelopes of cash, and then 2 more envelopes of cash
in the same area.
In the same area. Then I found this little apron that had two $500 bills in it.
Come
From
on.
1934. I kept mine. Rick has his.
Wow, man. I did not know this.
A little bit over $8,000.
Come on. $8,000.
Yeah, and it wasn't.
I need to charge more for my negotiating fee. Wow,
I'll take you out for lunch next time.
All right. I just bought lunch. I don't know why, but so.
But that was a nice surprise. It was fun.
Cool. All right. So tell me about the back end so we can wrap this up. So we've got a great story. We help out a family whose father had dementia. They had to put him in a home. They needed an investor. Motivated seller solved their problem real quick. You came in, it was underwater. Now we have a short sale. I mean, all this is going by. So we've got wins all the way around. You help the family. We come in, we get a win with the bank, with the neighborhood. You've got a win with $8,000 already.
Right.
And did you lose money on the back end or no? With I don't know these details yet. So what
we're not
after you've done the kitchen, you've done the attic. What
we're
happened?
not in this to lose money. We made probably about 60 between 60 and 65,000 on that one.
Wow.
Yeah.
60 to 65 grand. Wow.
In profit. That was
yes.
profit.
And you know how to run your numbers. You've been doing this a long time, Paul. You've been a mentor to me, and we've been in the same coaching group for, how many years were we? 5-6 years? With coach, so we've been in the same mastermind. Paulie is a real deal. He knows what he's doing, and so when he tells you numbers like that, that's not HGTV numbers. Hey, we bought it for this and we sold it for this, and there's our profit. So 60 to 65 grand. Was that including the 8 grand?
Nope.
So another 8 grand. So now we have a win. So hey guys, short sales are coming around the corner. To me, I look at that as an opportunity to help people. Okay. But in the case of the investor, we also have an opportunity to win as well. So there's wins all over in this business. And I really appreciate you.
Yeah, working with Matt was great. It was smooth. It was easy. It was pretty fast. Actually was pretty fast.
That is the thing right now. Short sales, man, we can get them done. I just had a record short sale that from the moment we got the lead to closing day, it was less than 30 days. That's unheard of.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That is pretty good. So that happened earlier on in the year. But it is our opportunity to help people, guys, but it's also a chance for the investor to now be in a risky situation we've got private money lenders. We got to flip the house. We got to deal with contractors. We got to deal with the market conditions. All of those things are risks that we're willing to take. So awesome, man. Well, I appreciate you coming.
Thanks for the help.
Thanks for hanging out with me today too. That was a blast. We had a lot of fun, and we were overdue. So thanks, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.